Y'all, back at you for another episode of
Plant Pirates.
Yeah, that's right. I'm your captain, Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today. Looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we going to get them?
People's landscape debris piles.
That's right, guys. Today is landscape debris pickup day in our community, so we're going to go sail around looking for free plants in people's landscape debris piles. And we had the whole family ready to go this morning, but our golf cart, or I mean our pirate ship, is kind of on the fritz here. It needs new batteries, new battery cables, and a couple other things. So, and I already ordered all those parts, but it's just going to be me and Teddy this morning, so we don't put too much of a strain on the 8-year-old batteries we have in there that are about to explode. So we're going to get going down the road, and when we get something good, we'll get back with everybody. All right, we just rolled up on some bromeliads here, guys. We're gonna grab them up quick because we're about to be crushed by the plant crushers, right, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, we're out of here. All of it. All right, we just rolled up on some corn palm. Looks like a dracaena in the back there. Looks like a lot of corn plant, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Teddy's gonna grab a little bit of this up. All right, y'all, I don't know if you can see, but straight ahead is the plant crushers. And they've already beat us to most of this street. You can see they already got the cans on this side. They haven't gotten these yet. They haven't made it all the way to the end. So we're gonna zoom past them and see if we can get some of the good stuff before they get it all crushed up. All right, looks like we just found some plumeria back there. Trying to see, I don't see it in these people's yard anywhere, so who knows what color it is, but Teddy's gonna grab it. Grab a couple pieces, kiddo. All right, so I zoomed past this a minute ago. Teddy spotted it. Some tea plant.
There's
not
looks
a huge
like another
cutting.
stalk right there.
Where? Right here? Nope, just a stick. All right, good eye, kiddo. All right, we just came across this banana. Let's see if it has roots. It's got to have roots.
It looks like it has a stalk. It's down in there.
Just move that other stuff to the other trash can, kiddo. Move the other stuff to the other trash can. Yep. Don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. Can you get it now?
Maybe.
All right, we're gonna keep working on this banana, guys, and we'll get back with you. All right, Teddy just spotted this tea plant right here. It actually looks like it, yep, it has roots. We don't need roots for this, but it has it, so we'll take it. All right, y'all, so we're doing exceptionally good this morning, aren't we, buddy?
Yeah.
It's only 7:05, and we already have a cartload of stuff back here. So, I don't know. Teddy's fighting me to keep going. You want to keep doing it?
Yeah, I want to do it up. I want to load up as much as we can.
Okay, all right. Well, we're going to go hit up a couple more streets then, guys, and see what else we can get. All right, we just rolled up on this dracaena right here.
There's a bunch of them in there.
Okay, I'll get a couple of them. Here, you stick that in the cart. I'll get the other one. Good eye, kiddo. All right, y'all, I'm sure we've showed you guys these on Plant Pirates before, but these false agaves here are flowering, and they're just super cool. Look at the flower stalk. It looks like a big stalk of
Bamboo?
or asparagus or something. Yeah, I mean, you can see there's some seed pods up
Yeah,
on the
that's
top
what I was
there.
looking at.
Super cool. All right, looks like we pulled up on a whole can of dragon fruit right here. You want to grab a couple pieces, kiddo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll grab some with the roots.
Okay. All right, y'all, so we made it back to the house this morning.
Yeah.
The golf cart held out for us one last adventure before we get it some new batteries and cables.
You didn't have Big Mama weighing it down.
Yeah, we didn't have, that's why it was just me and Teddy, because like I said, guys, I got to do a lot of work down here. It's getting bad. But I ordered all new parts, so that'll be my job tomorrow. So you don't know what we got. You kind of know some of what we got.
Yeah, because I was there. We potted these up, or you potted them up while I watched you.
So go ahead. Let's show everybody. Let's start with the dragon fruit.
All right, yeah. So this actually came from our neighbor.
Yeah, and look, we got one that has a flower on it.
Yeah.
And so cool thing about this, fun fact about this dragon fruit is it actually came from our last house. And I think that I planted it, and this is the rope that I used, the little twine I used to tie it to the tree in the backyard, and I guess it started getting out of control and they had to prune it. But so we got that from our old house.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, our old house is right down the street from our new house.
And we got
Walking
a good
distance.
bit of it. And so we know what it is. It's golden
Yeah.
dragon fruit, which is my favorite.
Yeah, and so
I
this
think
one,
it's the tastiest.
yeah, oh, it is, yeah. And this one has a flower on it. We'll see if we can get a single fruit to pop off of this in a pot. You know, this just came right out of the can on the side of the road, so we'll
I
see.
swear the flower opens some, but then I do see there's like a split right here, so I don't know, maybe.
All right, well, oh, it is split a little bit, yeah. All right, well, we'll see.
Yeah, I mean, the plant will live for
Yeah.
sure. All right, should we show the banana next?
Yeah,
Since it's
all right,
right
let's
here.
move on, yeah.
All right, so I'm real excited. This is the most exciting thing we got. Is this purple banana? I believe it's maybe like a ornamental, like zebra banana or musa. It's like Musa Bastu, I believe is the scientific
Yeah, I
name.
think
'cause
this
we
is-
grew this up in Georgia.
Yeah, I think this is one that you can get at your big box, you know, garden department, and they advertise it as an ornamental, but
Uh-huh.
I think we can get fruit off of it.
Yeah, and
Um,
I think that this banana is the kind that you, it's a fibrous stalk for making blankets and rugs and stuff like that. So I
All
think
right,
that's
cool.
what this one's for.
Why don't you pull them all out of there? So what's also exciting about this, guys, is if you look around, we actually collect banana varieties. So we have, what, 31?
31.
And so this one, believe it or not, we haven't bought yet. I mean, because I can always get it at, you know, Home Depot or Lowe's, but we don't have this one. So now we have 32.
Honestly, I haven't seen this one at Home Depot or Lowe's because I probably would have gotten it since
Okay.
we didn't have it.
Well,
I mean,
you can
we
see
got
it's got
we
these
got
killer...
it at Home Depot up in Georgia. I know that.
Yeah.
but I haven't seen any down in Florida.
It's got these killer variegated leaves. It's like
Yeah.
purple and green variegated leaves. And you can see these, two of them have some real good roots on them. This one in the middle doesn't really, and neither does the one in the pot. It's kind of why I put that one in the pot to baby it some. We have good luck nursing bananas in pots.
Yeah, even without roots, we've had success.
Yeah,
because
so-
the one we gave our neighbor right here didn't have any roots. The one he had in that pot, and it lived.
Yeah, that
So,
was Praying Hands.
Yeah,
Yeah.
praying hands banana. So.
All right, what else we got in there?
All right, so we got lots of good stuff this week. Or you guys.
Pull out the next thing. Maybe that, the two big stalks there in the back. Yeah,
The Marginata.
yeah. So this is a,
Dracaena Marginata.
yeah. We have a lot
These
of
are
this one.
beautiful.
They are beautiful cuttings we got today, though. I mean, real healthy. This is one you can plant right in the ground from cuttings. I'll show you guys. We've done it a million times all over the place here. There's one right there. I don't know if I have any more up here. There's a little guy playing with his water bin. But anyways, we've planted that one a bunch just from cuttings.
It's a great
and
one.
it just takes every time. I don't think we've ever had a failure with that.
They're truffula trees.
Yeah.
We're putting them everywhere. Planting them everywhere. All right.
Now, what else you got?
I have this. I'm going to pull this next. This was somebody was walking in the neighborhood, right?
Yes, so somebody spotted me and Teddy, actually a neighbor that we see walking. This is in a neighborhood, a neighborhood or two up. But we see him every time we go out walking his dog. And this morning he alerted us to these that he put out in front of his house. Super nice, real nice cuttings of plumeria. Nice of him. He actually had them all laid out real nicely in his grass for anyone to take. He knew, obviously he knew that that could be planted from cuttings and was hoping people would take it. But super nice of him to point us in that direction. These are some of the nicer plumeria cuttings we've gotten.
And
I think
my
he said
favorite.
it's,
I like the yellow ones the best because
yeah,
they smell the
they're,
best.
yeah, super fragrant. So,
And I think that the scent is what I'm after. I don't know. I like everything about them.
yeah. All right, what else you got?
We have.
Oh, I see a hitchhiker. I didn't even know we got
yeah,
that.
of course this would be a hitchhiker.
this
This
mother
is mother of millions.
Millions? Okay.
Yeah, we're not planting that guy.
Yeah.
Because we already have mother of thousands. So I need to move.
Yeah.
It's in a pot and it's.
So it's called
Okay.
Mother of Millions because you can see these little things growing on the ends of each of these leaves is a little plant. These little things right here pop off and just form another plant, and they just keep popping off and forming plants. So
They're cool though. I mean,
literally
the flowers
mother of
on 'em-
millions.
Yeah, the flowers on them are super cool.
Uh-oh, I just spread them right
They
there.
have 'em-
Shouldn't have done
They're
that.
gonna grow on the concrete. The beach walkover that is in our neighborhood has a big patch of them.
Oh, they
They're
do. Yep.
beautiful.
Yep.
I mean, and they're not spreading like
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
I mean, and
Now
they're
that says something about this plant, though. She's talking about it's planted like on the dune,
in sugar.
on the dune in beach sand, looking at the ocean. So I mean, that's a tough plant right
Yeah.
there. So,
For sure.
all right, what'd you just pull out?
Sorry. Variegated corn palm.
Yeah, corn plant.
It's a nice
Yeah,
one.
it's a
Oh yeah,
super
corn
nice-
plant. Sorry.
Super nice one. This is another one, guys. Won't skip a beat. You can plant it. Show them the bottom. You can plant it straight from a cutting like that. We'll probably just rip off a couple
Sometimes
of
there's
these leaves.
roots underneath the leaves, aren't there?
Not on this one, no. I
Okay.
don't think so.
That's more like pineapple.
Yeah, pineapple, yeah. But super nice cutting. We'll probably take all the leaves off of this bottom here.
Yeah, like
and
from
then I'll
here
plant
down.
and then I'll plant it a good foot plus in the ground to,
Like to here.
you're right, to carry the load of the weight from the
And
rest of the
anchor,
plant.
yeah, it's like an anchor for
But-
it. Here's another Dracaena.
Yep. Different kind. This is
green.
it's probably the dragon tree. Yeah. So we got two different kinds of Dracaenas today. It's a common one we get on Plant Pirates.
Yeah, but they're so cool.
They
And
are.
they don't take up much space.
They don't. Yeah.
They don't shade anything
Yeah.
out really. I mean, they do get big.
If you let them,
If
yeah.
you let 'em.
Sure.
Here's some more plumeria. Oh, we got a
Oh, yep. So we got a
Red
red sister tea plant right here. And then these were, this plumeria came from a different pile. These were pretty sorry cuttings. Teddy didn't even want to grab them, but we did. So you can see, guys, look at the ones that the neighbor tipped us off to that he put out versus these. These probably were on the curb a couple days too. You see how this, the trunk, or not the trunk, but the stem here is starting to shrivel. That's not a good sign. In fact, it's shriveling all the way down the,
But it doesn't mean it
plant
wouldn't
here.
start a new plant from the bottom.
it doesn't,
It'd
but
just be a baby
it's,
plant.
you know, if you're like us and you're lucky that you have your choice of pickings, you know, this is a, I think this guy cut this morning. It's as fresh as it gets. So,
Yeah,
I mean,
those other ones may not make the cut in the ground.
yeah.
But
We have a lot of plumeria, so we can be picky.
yeah. And
All right, we got another red sister here.
This is with roots.
And this one has roots, so we don't, you know, we usually just get cuttings, and you can plant tea plants just from cuttings, but this one has roots, so we'll take it. It's got some nice roots. I think there's,
Raymond's surfing over there.
yeah, he is. Is that it? Is this our last thing?
Yeah, well,
So our
really.
sorry little bromeliad here. It's the only one that was in the
I
can.
think that's this kind. On
Has
the
no
end over
roots.
there.
Which one?
It'll grow, I think. This one.
I bet it will.
This one's prolific. Here.
Yes, this one. It does
You
look like that
planted,
one.
Like, you planted like two here.
Looks just like that one.
less than a year ago.
Yeah.
Right here.
And you can
and we've
see.
just moved them.
This is what we're going for, guys. Is not to rejuvenate this plant so much, is to plant it and get it to shoot off another pup like this. Because you see this plant now, we can just remove and have this fresh one right here. So
Yeah.
that's kind of what we're going for with this. You might be looking at this wondering why we even grabbed this, but we love bromeliads, especially these kind of medium-sized bromeliads are
Yeah,
great.
'cause
And
you
this
can
one
put
has
them in the
softer
front.
edges too. Some of them have kind of
Yeah.
spiky edges.
Yeah.
So,
Definitely.
all right, cool. Well, we did good today. I guess, like you said, I think I'm the most stoked about these,
Bananas.
yeah, these blood bananas here, or whatever they're called, variegated.
Oh, I think that's another name for them. Blood banana.
Oh, okay.
Seriously.
All right,
I think
maybe that's-
That might be a more common name.
Gotcha.
That sounds familiar.
Okay.
We'll have to look it up. Or
Yeah.
If you guys.
Yeah, I
know
suppose
for
I
sure.
should have looked it up before we shot the ending
Yeah.
here, but
gotta
we
get these
honestly,
in the ground,
I know that's
really.
kind of the thing. Really, I have to say, Ted really wanted, he was so excited about these bananas. He wanted to be part of the end of the video, but he's at surf camp, and then we're having their friends come over afterwards to play. So, and we just have to get, especially these bananas, got to get in the ground. So
Yeah.
we had to end this and
Yeah, because they're pretty floppy.
put them in the
already.
ground. Yeah.
So, I mean, look at this one.
Yeah, I know.
Pretty sorry. It'll be fine though. We'll get one out of it.
Yeah, we'll get 1 out of 4 for sure. There's no
Yeah.
doubt. So.
And
All
then
right.
we'll get tons from that, you know?
Yeah. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the adventure today. If you have any questions or comments about any of the plants we showed you here, just post down below. If you check back to the channel in a couple days, we also do a series of videos called the Planting Pirates, where we go around and plant all this stuff and show you where we planted it. So check back in a couple days for that. But until until next time, I hope everybody out there takes care.